PiNetwork is once again in the spotlight as leading financial news platforms such as the Crypto Times and Binance begin reporting on the concept of GCV, or global consensus value, within the PiNetwork community. This marks a significant shift in perception, suggesting that PiNetwork is no longer just a grassroots movement, but a growing digital asset with potential recognition on a global scale. What is PiNetwork's GCV? The global consensus value, or GCV, refers to a valuation agreed upon by a segment of the PiNetwork community, often set at 1 pi equals $314,159, inspired by the mathematical constant pi. While this value has not been officially endorsed by the Pi-core team, it has gained traction among pioneers as a reference point for transactions in Pi-based marketplaces and bartering systems. GCV has sparked both enthusiasm and skepticism within the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. While some see it as an innovative attempt to establish a community-driven valuation system, others question its sustainability in the absence of formal market mechanisms. Why is the financial media paying attention? The recent coverage by the Crypto Times and mentions of PiNetwork on Binance's news channels indicate a growing interest in how GCV is being adopted and its potential implications for digital finance. Several factors have contributed to this newfound attention, increasing adoption in global transactions. Across various countries, businesses and individuals have begun accepting Pi-coin for goods and services, often referencing the GCV as their valuation metric. This demonstrates a level of real-world usage that few emerging cryptocurrencies achieve before being officially listed on exchanges. A new economic model in the making? If GCV continues to gain traction, it could represent an unprecedented shift in digital asset valuation, where pricing is determined by collective consensus rather than traditional market supply and demand. This challenges the conventional mechanisms used to value cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. What does this mean for pioneers? For the millions of pioneers worldwide, media attention on GCV signifies growing external validation of PiNetwork's journey. However, it also brings new challenges and responsibilities. Staying informed, following updates from reliable sources to separate factual developments from speculation. Supporting the PE ecosystem, encouraging the use of PE in transactions rather than just holding it for potential future gains. Preparing for open network, ensuring KYC completion and mainnet migration to be ready for when Pi becomes openly tradable. Managing expectations. While optimism is high, the actual market value of Pi upon launch remains uncertain. Being realistic about potential fluctuations is crucial. The increased visibility of PiNetwork's GCV in mainstream crypto discussions marks a turning point. What was once dismissed as an experimental project is now drawing serious scrutiny and curiosity from industry experts. Whether GCV will hold up in an open market environment remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: PiNetwork is no longer being ignored. As pioneers eagerly await the next phase, all eyes will be on how the Pi-core team navigates this growing momentum, and whether the global cryptocurrency community will ultimately embrace Pi as a major player in the digital economy. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.